breakfast is that one that consists of a slightly warm waffle drizzled with maple syrup and topped with either cherries or strawberries. Now, if you have ever made pancakes or waffles before, you will know that one of the basic items is drizzling it with maple syrup. And today on our sugar series, I'm going to teach you how to make your own maple syrups without visiting the mall. So let's get started. I'm going to start by making use of items you can see in your kitchen: your brown sugar, your granulated white sugar, your corn syrup, or you can also use honey for a richer flavor and a deeper color, and then your maple extract and vanilla extract. At the time I was creating this video, I didn't have access to maple extract, so I'm only sticking to vanilla extract, and then boiling water, which I already kept into that hot flask. Now I added all my items except my extract into my pot, including my glucose and water and the likes. Now a quick tip: when you are working with glucose and you're measuring it into a bowl or honey, slightly grease your bowl with or measuring cups with a cooking spray to prevent your glucose and your syrups from sticking, or your honey from sticking. Another quick tip is, when measuring liquid item in cups, place your cup on a flat surface so that you can measure your items well. This is for liquid item. Next, I'm going to stir all this together to moisten the sugar, and I'm going to transfer this on low heat and bring the syrup to a boil. Please keep an eye on the syrup so that it doesn't foam and pour all over your working surface. Next, I reduce the heat to the lowest, and I'm going to be stirring and cooking for 10 minutes, just 10 minutes. Next, I remove my pot from heat and allowed my syrup rest for 5 minutes, then added my extract and I stirred it well. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. As the syrup cools, it's going to get thicker. Please remember to check the description box below for a link to the detailed recipe. Now see me drizzling this on the freshly made waffles. It's delicious, it's yummy, and it's very simple. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, and see you next week.